Hello, this is the video recording for 2.1 day 2, multiplying and converting mixed numbers. Our essential question is, how do I convert mixed fractions and improper fractions? That's supposed to say mixed numbers, but oh well, it's okay. So our entry task is to evaluate 6/8 multiplied by 8/9. Please answer in simplest form. If you have not done that already, go ahead and take the time to do that right now. And I'm going to do it as well. So go ahead and push pause if you haven't done it yet. Right, so 6, we just multiply across. 6 times 8 is 48. And 8 times 9 is 72. Now we got to write it in simplest form. So I'm going to find the GCF and divide it, or look at my last step of my ladder. So let me do my ladder. 48 and 72 are both even numbers, so 48 divided by 2 is 24. 72 divided by 2, let me get my handy-dandy calculator. 72 divided by 2 is 36. They're both even numbers, so I can divide by 2 again. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Oh, I hope I have enough room. I'm going to do it again. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 divided by 2 is 9. I have room for one more, right? 6 and 9 are both divisible by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our bottom row is 2 and 3. So this is 2/3 in simplest form. Yeah, there it is. All right, today we will be multiplying fractions a little bit more, but we're going to be multiplying mixed numbers. All right, and we got a rule here. When we multiply, we are not allowed to multiply mixed numbers. We have to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions and then multiply. Okay, so here are the directions on how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Here's my mixed number, 3 1/2. Okay, step 1, multiply the whole number by the denominator. So here's our whole number, 3. And here's our denominator, 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. Step 2, add the numerator. Our numerator is 1. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. That is your new numerator. Step 3, keep the same denominator. Our denominator is 2. Write the new numerator on top of the denominator. So the new numerator is 7. And our old denominator is 2. So 3 1/2 as an improper fraction is 7/2. Okay? Example 1. Let's do an example. Let's convert 16 6/7. Step 1, whole number by denominator. 16 times 7 is 112. I already did that math for you. 6 times 7 is 42, put a 2 here, put a 4 there. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Step 2, add the numerator. Our numerator is 6. 112 plus 6 is 118. Step 3, new numerator over old denominator. 118 over 7. Let's try it. Let's convert 4 4/12. Okay? So, step 1, 4 times 12. Which is, I'm using a calculator, 4 times 12 is 48. Step 2, add the numerator. 48 plus 4 equals 54. Now, step 3, we have use the same denominator, 54/12. Remember that fractions are fancy division, so can we divide 54 divided by 12? Not yet. So right now our answer is an improper fraction. Right now our answer is in an improper fraction form. Right now that's okay, but the next thing we're going to do is convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Yay! Let's try it out, okay? We have to use long division. Long division sucks, but we gotta do it, right? We are going to convert 25 over 4. You know what we should have done? We should have converted 54 over 12, but it's fine. We'll do that next time. So, convert 25 over 4 into an improper fraction. Step 1 is to use long division. Numerator by the denominator. So the numerator will go on the inside. I'm going to do that right here so you can see it. 25 divided by 4. We're going to do some long division. 4 does not go into 2. 4 goes into 25 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. You have to subtract. 25 minus 20 is 5. Oh, this whole thing is wrong. My bad. So if you wrote these notes, good. I hope you wrote it in pencil because I did it wrong. I'm going to do that again. 4 goes into 25 6 times, actually. And 4 times 6 is 24. When you do 24 minus 25, 25 minus 24, you get 1. So you have a remainder of 1. I'm not going to re-record this. I just want you to see that I am a human and I also make mistakes. And that's important for you to see. So 6, 24, 1. So you have a remainder of 1. And then this. So now, you write down the whole number answer. So 6 is our whole number answer. So I'm going to put a 6 on the side. Keep the denominator. So our denominator was 4, so I'm going to keep my denominator. Use the remainder as the numerator. So my remainder is 1. So this is 6 1/4. Okay. Let's try it. I think instead of a try it, we'll end up just doing it together because it's important to just do it together. So we're going to convert 12 sevenths, where 12 goes on the inside and 7 is on the outside. So 7 goes into 12 one time. 7 times 1 is 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So I have a remainder of 5. My whole number is 1. My numerator is 5. And my denominator is 7. So my answer is 1 5/7. So we're going to try it again, except what we're going to do is apply it to multiplication. So I want you to multiply 1 7/8 times 2/5. And you are not allowed to do 1 7/8. You have to convert 1 7/8 to a mixed number, to an improper fraction, and then multiply across. So if you haven't done that already, push pause and do it. And we're going to do it. So 1 times 8 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So this is now 15 over 8 times 2/5. 15 times 2 is 30. 8 times 5 is 40. Fun fact, if they both end in 0, that means you can divide by 10. And when you divide by 10, the zeros go away. So what you have is actually 3/4. Okay. That's all I have for notes. Let's go to our assignments. Notes, assignment. Big Ideas Math Assignment 2.1 Practice. Save questions 13 to 15 for after tomorrow's lesson. If you are in my 150 class, you do not have questions 13 through 15, so you don't even have to worry about it. You can just work on the 2.1 practice. But for my 101 kids, you have questions 13 through 15, so save those for tomorrow. To find the 2.1 practice, you go to Big Ideas Math through Symbaloo. Clever. Big Ideas Math. And you can find your assignment. You can click on Assignments, and then you will see the 2.1 practice. Okay. You can always click here, 3 lines, Assignments, and then you can find the 2.1 practice. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. That's all I have for you today.